All right, it's Ben with the DIY Homefront, and I'm doing some tool maintenance or tool repair. So let's get into this, guys. So it's nice out, but it's windy today. So I've got two sanders, a 6-inch and a 5-inch, and both of the pads are starting to look pretty rough. Let's take a look at this. This one doesn't look too bad at first until you realize that there's a bunch missing. And this one, the edge is just totally beat up. It's not even there anymore. So they only take 4 screws to come on and off. And it takes a torque 20 bit.
It took a lot longer to get these screws out than the video would lead you to believe. Through the magic of editing, I shortened that time up.
Boy, it is windy today. I mean windy.
When you take the Velcro pad off, make sure you pay attention to how the sander's put together underneath it. Some of them have these loose pieces that are there to help with the dust collection that can get out of place and make it difficult to put back together.
But you can really see how much is missing once you do that. Need to get it started. That's all I need, is just to get it started.
So when I first bought these kind of sanders, I just assumed that the Velcro pads would last for life. But in some ways, they're almost like a car tire. You know, after so many miles, the car tires wear out. After so many hours of use, especially if you're using it aggressively, the Velcro pads just deteriorate and have to be replaced. You can also ruin the Velcro pad by using it without any sandpaper on it.
There's one tight. There we go, and now when the sandpaper's on it, it'll actually have something to the edge to support it. I'll probably be able to get more sanded that way. So that takes care of the 6-inch, now the 5-inch, and it's the same way.
Take out the 4 screws, remove the Velcro pad, make sure you pay attention how it's put together underneath the Velcro pad so you can put it back the way it was. I tried to figure out what that belt was for, but it did not make any sense to me. Alright, before I can get this Velcro pad on, I gotta get it out of this bag. I didn't realize it at first, but there's a metal plate on the underside of this Velcro pad with some notches on it, and it has to line up for it to fit on. I thought if the screw holes lined up, it would fit on, but that wasn't the case. And after these 4 screws go in, we are pretty much done with the maintenance on these 2 tools.
So I went back and looked up the price of these, and I ordered this back on April the 8th, and it was $13.99, and now it's on sale for $9.79. So you're probably looking at about $10 to $15 a piece for these, which is a whole lot cheaper than replacing your sander. And the first DeWalt sander I had was the most inexpensive one. It didn't have an adjustable speed on it. So when it went bad, I just ended up buying a whole new sander. But it's like a $20 step up from the base model that has no speeds to the next model that has adjustable speeds. But these will work like they're brand new again. They may be beat up, but they will work like they're brand new. And this guy's pretty expensive. I couldn't even find this guy anymore for sale when I was looking up for this part. So there you have it, some tool repair, easy on the spot, even on a windy day. So like, subscribe, check out the playlist, and I'll see you in another video.